Indira Gandhi National Open University is one of the largest universities of the country, and thousands of students who could not find time to attend regular classes at the university or colleges are joining IGNOU to continue their studies. And today with me is Dr. Kamlesh Mena. He is Regional Director IGNOU Srinagar. Kamlesh Mena, we welcome you to the Kashmir Wala. And first of all, I want to ask you, there are many universities in the country. How is IGNOU different from all those universities?
Firstly, through your program, I want to tell you that this is not the largest university across the nation, across the world. IGNOU is the world's largest open university. Through ODL, Open Distance Learning, we are providing higher education after 10+2. Those who are not getting the admission in conventional education, so many reasons, economic reasons, lack of percentage, lack of intake, so many reasons, people are not getting the admission. For that, IGNOU is the only platform. They can come to us, they can get enrolled in different programs. Right now we have almost 245 programs in UG, PG, diploma and certificate levels. And these programs are run by our 21 schools headquarters IGNOU, and across the nation we have our regional center, along with including 2 regional centers in J&K, Jammu, and 1 regional center Srinagar. Or hopefully very soon, already we notified sub-regional center in Ladakh, and hopefully very soon a separate regional center is going to be established in Ladakh region also. And we are different from other institutions that there is three regions. First, we have the flexibility. There is no hard and fast rules. There is no need to come our classes, and there is because number of students are associated with us, those who are working as government sector, private sector, as well as in their own business they are doing. For that, for those who are not the part of conventional, those who are engaged with their private activities, especially central and state government employees. Because they are for them it is not feasible that they can attend the class, they can take the admission regular basis, and they can spend the time on education, but they want to pursue their higher education. In this context, only IGNOU is the best platform across the nation. Right now, today we are world's largest open state university in terms of enrollment, in terms of our expansion, in terms of programs.
There must be many aspirants or students who want to pursue their education through Indira Gandhi National Open University, but they may not be knowing the process of admission and what should they do to get admission in IGNOU. What is the procedure? How can they take admission, and how many sessions are there for those students who want to pursue their education?
Yes, this is true. A number of students are not aware about this. What is the process? How they can get the admission? And for those learners, I want to tell you through this program, we twice a year we conduct the admission, January and July. Right now, July session is going on, and those who want to take the admission from within IGNOU through right now online Samarth portal. Online Samarth portal, they can take the admission easily through Android mobile phone, through eMitra, through whatever ICT platforms they have. And in this regarding, regularly we are doing our publicity. We are publicize our programs. We are publicizing our admission process, and every district right now we have our LSC, Learner Support Centers. Through that they can enroll also. And this is our regional center. Monday to Friday, this center is work here, and we are here for them. Or special student support service cell is working here to guide them, to motivate them, to counseling them, so that they can get the enrollment with us, and whatever programs they want through us, through IGNOU or through ODLs, they can get enrolled easily. Right now, all process are online. Through a Samarth portal, they can get enrollment number. Our website is www.ignou.ac.in. Through this website, you can get all details and information related to admission, related to assignment, related to exam, related to other academic support services which are providing by us.
The fact is that unemployment is rising because there are many students, there are many people who have got their bachelor's degree, master's degree, or PhD degrees, but they are not able to get job in the market. Many universities are providing some sort of job-oriented courses. Does IGNOU has some job-oriented courses so that the student, once student is done with his education, he can easily get the job?
For our youth generation, job is the must priority. This is unfortunately maximum student get enrolled in higher education for job purpose, not education purpose. But through your program, I want to tell you कि already I mentioned that we have 245 programs. Out of 245 programs, number of programs are job oriented, skill based, and short-term programs. Right now, if you see the prospectus, which we call common prospectus. Please go through it. All programs are mentioned there. MBA programs, MCA programs, BCA programs, MAJMC programs, MSc DFSM programs, MSc CFT, PGDIF, CIT. These are the job-oriented programs. Through these programs, you can get different kind of skills. And MAPPC, master program in psychology, and School of Agriculture, School of Law, School of Computer Science, School of Continuing Education, School of Adult School, School of Humanities. There are number of programs we run in short terms, long term, diploma, certificate, master, bachelor. Even recently we launched, I think, more than 35 programs in master, bachelor, and diploma, certificate level. The programs are recognized as a short term programs, job oriented programs. In recently we launched a master programs in entrepreneurship. We launched program MSc Information Security Science, MSc Environmental Science, MA Urdu, MA Journalism and Mass Communication. 1 year back we launched here. These are the new programs which is totally skill based, job oriented, and we can skilled India. Which is Government of India. This was the mission of Government of India. Every youth should get the education in the prospective skill development, skill enhancement, and job-oriented programs. So through your program, I can tell you the number of programs we have in job-oriented and skill-based programs.
There is one regional center based in Srinagar for the IGNOU. How many study centers does IGNOU have across the Kashmir region?
If I talk about the Kashmir Valley, right now we have 39 LSC, Learner Support Centers, across the valley. Every district we have one LSC, more than one. Some district like Srinagar, we have Amar Singh, our study center in Amar Singh College, SP College, MA Women's College, Gandhi College, and very shortly we are going to establish our study center in Bimana College also. Across the district like Baramulla, Anantnag, Bargaon, Magaon, every district we have 1 to 3 study center across the valley. There is no place, there is not a single district in valley which is not covered by us. Or very soon, I think right now, as per my knowledge, only 3 blocks we have where we don't have our LSC. Gurez, Uri, and Tangdar. And I'm sure very soon we are going to establish our study center, these areas, to cover our programs, to cover our existence. So right now I think 39 LSC already we have already working here, and to see the feasibility, to see the requirement, to see the support services in terms of students, we will open our study center if any required. But right now I think there is no area, only 3 places are uncovered so far.
Due to COVID-19 pandemic, educational institutions remained shut for most of the period, and still many are still yet to start their operation. Even though as far as I know, IGNOU regional centers, IGNOU study centers remained shut for the period. Have they resumed their work now, or they are still shut?
Yeah, this is true. This is universal true. Not only we, not only India, across the world affected by COVID-19. Okay, right. But fortunately, Indira Gandhi National Open University already run by ICT based, information communication technology. Already we have Gyan Darshan, Gyanvani, Swayam Prabha. These are our online educational channels working 24 hours, 24/7. And right now number of programs we are providing through online services also. So through your programs, I want to tell you that right now across the nation we have 20 channels which are dedicated to only education programs. And out of 20 educational programs, we have exclusively for IGNOU 2 channels. Gyan Darshan, Gyan 1 is separate channel, and Swayam Prabha. These are these channels are run by Government of India. These are only and only for IGNOU programs. So through these channels, our student can get the benefits. And we are using the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and social media platforms to reach this areas also. And before that already we have Gyan Darshan, Gyanwadi channels also. Through Gyan Darshan is the only educational channel across the nation which are run by IGNOU EMPC, Electronic Media Production Division, headquarters New Delhi. So there is, yes, this is true, we affected, no doubt about it, but our education system is not held on. And we are working on continuously. We are providing our education to our students, those who are enrolled, those who are enrolling, and whatever mode of communication we can use, maximum level to give the benefit to our students, we are using. Right now, we are organizing our induction meeting through Facebook page also, Google Meet also. We are using WhatsApp groups. We created number of WhatsApp groups. We are creating. We are sending the SMS. We are communicating through email also. So all mode of communication related to ICT based, we are using it to give the maximum benefit to our enrolled students.
With this, there are complaints from the students, those who are enrolled in IGNOU are not getting study material in time. What is the reason that they do not get the study material in time, even though many students who have to appear in exams are still to get the study material? Where is the fault? Why it takes so much time to deliver study material to the students?
And exactly, I'm not agree that students are not getting the study material.
Okay.
There are some lacunas, no doubt about it. Yes, we do accept it, because when you get the admission, after confirmation the admission, you get the SMS through us, a letter from us, your admission is confirmed from this program, or your LSC is this. After allotting the LSC, LSC means study center. We organize induction meeting programs. So induction meeting is very important component for ODL programs. You know, to learn to know the ODL system, induction is very important. Through your program, I request to all my students, those who enrolled this session also, please attend our induction program. Through induction program, we communicate all components related to ODL systems. What is the role of LSC, what is the role of you, what is the role of us. And these are the 3 components which is you have to know through the induction meeting. And number of students, yes, this is true, we are getting the complaint that students are not getting the study material. For remedial purpose, we created 3 platforms. eGyanKosh. Through eGyanKosh, you can access study material of IGNOU. Earlier, it was not access to all, but right now, it is accessed easily. Anybody, those who are not our students, they can also access the study material of IGNOU, which are available through eGyanKosh. Second one, we created IGNOU Content app. Through e-content app, you can access our study material through your mobile Android phone. You can download it and you can access our study material. Third one, we provide the status link to know your study material status. When you will get it, or what is the position of your study material. These 3 links you can access. So those students who are not getting the study material timely, I request to you through this program, please, you can avail these facilities, eGyanKosh, IGNOU e-content app, and online study material status. Through these platforms, you can know your study material. And 4th problem, yes, when we send the study material to our enrolled students, to their postal address, at the time of admission, what they provided us. Number of complaints we are noticing, we are observing that due to lack of incomplete postal address, they are not getting it. And postal services are delays some part of area, not only Delhi, across the nation. So due to delay of postal services, our students are not getting the study material in timely. But these numbers are very few, Maximum 80-19% students are getting the study material. For those who are not getting the study material in timely, I would like to tell through your program, please they can access eGyanKosh, they can download it through IGNOU e-content app, and they can check their status also, please.
Okay. Does IGNOU Regional Center has some helpline phone number where students can call for some help? Many students have very little things to ask and they have to travel hundreds of kilometers to reach IGNOU's Srinagar Study Center.
Helpline number is also mentioned there.
Okay.
Our email also separate email ID. Our RC always through you and personally whenever the student meet me, I advise them please, whatever problem you face, you are facing, you face in future, so please write to us directly through email, through iGram, through telephone. You can contact us directly, please. These are the basic facilities which are we provide to our student. There is a number of channels to connect with us through landlines, through emails, through iGram portal. iGram portal is run by Government of India, monitored by Government of India. Through iGram portal, you can send your query, whatever you are facing. So, through iGram, within 24 hours, whatever query we are receiving here through iGram portal, through email, through telephone, we are ensuring that within 24 hours, our student get the reply from our side. This is our mechanism.
Before concluding this program, I would like to ask you the last question. As many students or many people who want to join IGNOU courses have apprehensions if suppose a person who is settled in Srinagar wants to join IGNOU course, but he has some plans to either to go to Delhi or Mumbai. Can he continue his studies there as well, or can he or she appear in the examinations there as well?
Yes.
Is there any such flexibility so that one can continue his studies without any interruption if he moves around the country?
This is the most popular feature of ODL, open distance learning. Okay. I know those who are enrolled with us, we know that already they are engaged in government sector, private sector, yes, they are business also. So please, no need to worry. You can take the admission in Srinagar, and after few months, few days, if you move another place, there is no issue. Your study is going not to be hindrance, no obstacles. There is no obstacles. You can immediately change your LSC, your RC, even your region also. So we have already, this is the best feature of ODL system. Anytime you can exchange, anytime you can move, anytime you can shift your regional center from Srinagar to anywhere. So there is no problem, okay. No need to worry about it. You get the admission here, but if you want to exam in Jammu and Punjab, other part of the rest of the country, you can easily just use our sent a mail through concerned email, RC concerned email. I am moving from this place to that place. So there is no issue. Easily you can move, you can switch, you can shift, and even you took the admission in Valley, Kashmir, and you can appear for an exam in other part of country. There is no. This is the most popular feature of open distance learning feature.
Do you have any message for the students who are associated with IGNOU or those who want to be part of the IGNOU? Do you have any message for them?
Definitely. I would like to request through your programs, no need to worry, no need to afraid. Directly you can contact to us, directly you can write us whatever you are facing in the field. Frankly, you can write us. If you need any kind of counseling, we are ready to give you. And if you want to know any, you want to get any information related to our programs, short-term programs, job-related programs, skill development programs, immediately we are ready to provide them. So please, those students, those who want to associate with us, I want to request you, please first go visit our website www.ignoe.in, then download Common Prospectus. Please go through it properly, read it carefully, or which programs is feasible for you, which programs you want to pursue through us. Please see the syllabus, see the course content, and accordingly you can take the admission easily. No need to worry about anything. You will get the study material timely. You will get the all information related to your program, related to your academic components. We are committed. We are committed for providing effective student support services through us, through our LSCs, through our staff members. So please, anytime you can join us. Twice a year we give the offer for joining our programs. Twice a year we conduct our exams. So these are the flexibility of open distance learning. So I think those students who are not the part of conventional education, only and only the IGNOU is the best platform. They can take admission and they can secure their future through higher education. Please.
Thank you, Dr. Kamlesh Meena, for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.